Hey guys, I'm John O'Shea, Thermomix consultant on the Gold Coast. Chef by trade, father of three, and just love everything food. So today I want to share with you my celebration dish. So I put this dish together, it's all around COVID and the reasons that we can't enjoy restaurant quality food out and about. So today we're doing that at home. Let's get started. First up, making our peanut brittle. So we've got our macadamias. We're just going to pop them onto our lined tray and just spread them out a little bit. And the next step we need to do is actually just grind down our wattle seed. So I've just got some wattle seed here, just going to throw that straight into the Thermomix. And we just want to grind this for about 1 minute on speed 10. You can see how easily the Thermomix has ground that down into a fine powder. Next step, we're just going to sprinkle this over our macadamia nut. So just a nice fine sprinkle straight over the top here. We're going to start our peanut brittle here. So 250 grams of white sugar, 70 grams of water, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So 16 minutes, sugar mode. We just turn the dial, it's gonna do the work for us. That's been 16 minutes. We don't want to mess around here, like we want to get this out of the bowl pretty quickly. We don't want it to set, just trying to sort of cover all of those nuts there. So the next step in this dish is making our dressing. So we're going to do a burnt orange glaze. So it's going to be emulsification using fresh oranges and some olive oil. So first thing we want to do is just with our orange, using your vegetable peeler, we're just going to remove some of the skin just from one orange. You want to be careful not to get too much of the pith. And we're just going to throw that straight into our Thermomix here with about 70 grams of white sugar. And you can see that that's just brought that together really nicely. So juice is ready. Next bit, we want to cook this down and make this our nice reduction, so get a nice burnt, caramelized kind of flavor. Before we do that, we've got a few things that we can steam at the same time as making this dressing. We just want to strain our quinoa off, so just straight in there. And then we're just going to lay this straight onto our paper. I'll leave a little bit of a gap up the side here because I can actually do my quail eggs at the same time. So I've got some beautiful little quail eggs here. These are just going to steam on top of our dressing while all that's cooking. So we're going to put that there. We're going to set our timer. Full time, we want about 18 minutes for this, but I'm going to add our edamame beans a bit later as well. So if we give it about 15 minutes, that's a good start. And that's our dressing ready. So we're onto the tuna stage now. So beautiful sashimi grade tuna. I wanted to shape the tuna a little bit now. Just going to use a couple of pieces of the plastic wrap, and then taking our tuna, we can just sit that on the inside here and then just pulling it in nice and tight. We can almost start to make this into a cylindrical kind of shape. And then just on the ends here, I can just twist them off. Now we want to actually sous vide this now. So for this particular protein, I'm going to cook this for about 35 minutes. So here you have it, my version of a sous vide tuna tataki. So it's definitely a celebration dish. It's going to wow your guests when they arrive. Definitely hits the marks in terms of something that's really special. I'm not going to wait. I'm going to get into this now. See you later.